I didn't think it was going to be this hard to pick up the camera after being not recording for at least 6 months, if not a little bit longer. So I want to discuss what has been going on at the end of 2024 and what is going to go on in this year in 2025. There's a lot of hopes and dreams for lots of hopes and dreams here at Lilac Oaks Farm. Hi everyone, my name is Renee, and as you heard me say, this is Lilac Oaks Farm, and I hope everyone had a wonderful ending to their 2024 and a beautiful beginning to their 2025. Well, here I wanted to talk to you about what happened during 2024 and why I stopped really recording. I didn't record too much, but I wanted to go over with you what happened, what's been going on, and what's going to happen going forward with Lilac Oaks Farm, the YouTube channel. So anyway, as you can tell, I am over 50. I might not look it some days, but I am. So I am older. I have also have fibromyalgia. I've had it for a very long time, well over 20 years. I ended up with what we call a flare-up. In fibromyalgia is more than just pain. I mean, only thing you guys hear is because there's so many symptoms that it's very hard. So they just say widespread pain. It's more than that. But the widespread pain happened, caused a flare-up, and I was in a flare-up from the end of June, beginning of July, and it's still going on now. So anybody that knows when you're in a lot of pain, you can't concentrate. So when I have one, I really can't think on recording or anything. It's just all you feel is pain, and it needs to stop. And it's terrible, and it's slowing down now. I'm having a little bit better days, and I'm just completely run down from it, because when your body's just all you got is pain and that's all you feel, it does wear you down. Second, I'm older, I'm over 50, I'm menopause, and that has a world of its own issues. And then I also have rheumatoid arthritis in my back, and I have some arthritis that is popping up in new places. Yay, go me. And then obviously you can tell I have actually, if you've paid attention, I actually have had weight gain, which is due to the hypothyroid, I think. I don't know. And I need to address that. And I've tried, and it's just not working this year. It's really frustrating. So that is what happened to me at the end of 2024. I know some of you might care, some of you don't, but anyway, I don't care. I'm putting this out there just to let you know what has been going on personally and why I haven't put out any really videos. And a lot of my videos have been short. They haven't been really, to me, they haven't been really good. And that is because of my own inability to concentrate long enough on what I'm doing and to bring you along for the ride of why I'm with my birds. So, what is going to happen to Lilac Oaks Farm, the channel? Well, we are going to continue as soon as I am able to concentrate on everything. Going to bring more farm content. I have building projects I want to take you along for. I want to get some new poultry in, as in turkeys. And my brain just, again, like I said, turkeys. I would like to, I have 2 geese, but my goose was never with other geese. He's only been with ducks. And if you don't think geese and ducks can mate, well, they can, but I don't know about anything else. Because Goosey only mates with ducks. I do have a female goose, and he doesn't like Ernie. And we named her Ernie because I thought it was a dude. But no, Ernestine, he doesn't like her. So, we gotta work on that, and I would like to bring some pigs back on the farm permanently, and stuff like that. So I wanted to bring you guys along. I just need to get past this fibromyalgia and everything else going on. Plus, I'm not going to do any more cooking videos on this channel. YouTube does not like it when I do cooking videos. So I'm going to take them off, which I've already started, and I have created a new channel called Lilac Oaks Kitchen. And I will upload them when I can to there, and I will make sure when the channel is all set up, I will put the link down in the description box below if you like to go over there to watch any cooking vids. I have not decided about the canning, whether I'm going to stay with the canning over here on the farm channel or bring it over to the kitchen channel. I haven't decided yet. I do like to cook. I do like to can. I feel that's part of my farm, but YouTube just doesn't like that, and I want to grow as a channel. I want to have more people in, and I want to, create a community here where we can talk about ducks and chicken, poultry. I do, like I said, we're starting out with pigs. We've had them for a couple years, but I want to share it with you guys. So I haven't decided that, but please bear with me as I am trying to get through this last little hurdle of my infliction with the fibromyalgia acting up, and I will be back recording soon. I have plenty to talk about what's going to go on this year with my ducks. They are older, they're not younger, and that's something we need to discuss too. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care, and God bless.